Hello again, it's Noob, and we're continuing exploring the box of Yale's, my salesman's collection of Yale locks, which my friends bought me, and this is a Yale P125 50. Quite a small padlock. You can see that it's got a little bit of corrosion on here, and the bitting on this one is, well, it's not too bad. I mean, it's quite a small keyway. It's got some ups and downs. It's not wildly extreme, but you know, it's good enough. This particular lock has ball bearing, double locking ball bearing mechanism in it, which is really nice. And these are usually very spooly. I've picked this one before, and it seems to hang up. The core hangs up in a strange way I can't quite describe, but nevertheless. So we're in the vise. Reminder of the key there, just give it a little open and close. This lock does sort of catch up with the pins. I don't really know why. It's an old lock, hasn't been used, so I'm guessing it's some kind of corrosion. Bit of top of the keyway tension from a bent wiper blade. Just pop it in like that. And try not to catch it behind these, let's call them rivets, although they're not really rivets, are they? Don't quite know what we want to call them. Let's see where we are. So there's 5 pins, so 5 into a false set, 4 quite high up, and into a false set again. See that counter rotation? 3 counter rotation, into a false set again. 2, oh wow, that's a quick one, and open. This one, it behaved itself. I picked this previously and been going around in circles. Maybe the more I picked it, or more I used it, the more it sort of freed up whatever dirt or corrosion or whatever's on the inside of this was holding it up. But yeah, pretty good lock actually. Really nice and spooly. Lots of good feedback on this one. Nice tight keyway. Yeah, fun pick. Anyway, if you like this video or indeed this lock, leave a like. If you want to comment, then please comment below. Read them all, reply to as many as I can. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It really helps me out. And I'll see you all next time.